Hello and welcome back to the channel where today we're going to be discussing water and its unique properties which make it essential for life. Many of the properties which water exhibits come from its molecular structure. Water molecules are dipolar, meaning they have both positive and negative charges. The oxygen atom is more electronegative, which means it pulls the electron closer to itself, making the oxygen end of the molecule slightly negative. On the other hand, the hydrogen atoms become slightly positive. Because of this, water molecules can form hydrogen bonds with each other. The positively charged hydrogen of one water molecule is attracted to the negatively charged oxygen of another. These attractions cause the water molecules to stick together. This ability to form hydrogen bonds explains many of water's key properties, like its high surface tension and its ability to dissolve many substances. Let's take a look at these key properties that water exhibits. Firstly, water has a high specific heat capacity. This means it can absorb a lot of heat without its temperature rising significantly. But why is this important? Well, hydrogen bonds between water molecules make it harder to separate them, which requires more energy to increase the temperature. This property makes water a great buffer against sudden temperature changes. In aquatic environments, this helps to maintain stable conditions for organisms living in the water, preventing extreme fluctuations in temperature that could be harmful. Next, we have latent heat, which refers to the energy needed to change water from a liquid to a gas. Because water has strong hydrogen bonds between molecules, it takes a lot of energy to break these bonds and vaporize water. This high latent heat is why it's so effective in regulating temperature in living organisms. For example, sweating helps cool us down, as it takes a lot of heat energy to evaporate the water in sweat. Water also exhibits cohesion, the tendency of water molecules to stick together. This is due to the hydrogen bonds between the molecules. Cohesion gives water a strong cohesive force, which allows it to be pulled up through tubes like the xylem in plants during transpiration. This is essential for plants to transport water from their roots to their leaves. Another property related to cohesion is surface tension. The cohesive forces between water molecules creates a skin on the surface of the water, allowing small organisms like water striders to effectively walk on water. Surface tension helps water maintain its structure at the surface, providing a stable environment for these organisms to thrive. Water also plays a crucial role in many biological processes, and its unique properties make it indispensable in metabolism, as a solvent, for temperature regulation, and in providing support for organisms. Water is both used and produced in chemical reactions like hydrolysis and condensation. In hydrolysis, water is added to break down molecules, while in condensation, water is released when smaller molecules are joined together to form larger ones. This makes water essential for processes like digestion and synthesis of polymers. Additionally, most chemical reactions in living organisms take place in an aqueous medium, meaning they occur in water. This is because water provides a stable environment for molecules to collide and react. In photosynthesis, water is also a major raw material, where it's split to provide electrons and hydrogen ions for the production of glucose. Water is also an excellent solvent, meaning it can dissolve a wide range of substances. For example, it dissolves gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide, which are essential for respiration and photosynthesis. It also dissolves small molecules like ammonia and urea, which are important waste products in living organisms. Water also dissolves enzymes, facilitating chemical reactions within the cell. A further important property of water is its help and effect in temperature regulation through evaporation. When organisms like humans sweat, the water on their skin evaporates, carrying heat away from the body and cooling them down. This process is vital for maintaining a stable internal temperature, especially in warm environments. Finally, water provides structural support for organisms, especially in plants. Water is easily compressed, and this ability allows water to provide turgor pressure, helping plant cells maintain their shape and rigidity. Without this support, plants would wilt and lose their structure. That concludes our video today on water. If you enjoyed and found it useful, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and also share with your friends. Feel free to also check out any other videos on this channel. Thank you very much for watching.